Unlocking the future of video creation, we're diving headfirst into how Gemini, Google's powerful AI, is revolutionizing the way we make videos. Forget endless hours of brainstorming. Gemini can help kickstart your creative process by generating a wealth of visual ideas and concepts, acting as your digital muse. The core of this is simple. You provide Gemini with a text description of what you want your video to depict, be it a serene landscape, a dramatic action scene, or even an abstract concept. Gemini interprets your words into visual reality. Gemini can produce video content in a surprising variety of styles, from fluid animations that bring characters to life, to near photorealistic scenes that can transport viewers, or even mind-bending abstract visuals. The creative possibilities are vast. Want to animate characters? Gemini can take basic character designs or even just descriptive prompts and imbue them with movement, allowing you to create animated sequences without complex rigging or traditional animation software. Beyond outright generation, Gemini is a powerful co-pilot for your existing video production workflow. Imagine AI assisting with generating background music that perfectly matches the mood, synthesizing voiceovers that sound natural, or even suggesting visual enhancements to your existing footage. This isn't about replacing human creativity, but augmenting it. Gemini empowers you to explore more, create faster, and push the boundaries of what's possible in video storytelling. So, are you ready to start making AI videos with Gemini? The future of video creation is here, and it's more accessible than ever.